Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Homemade Indian Food. Today we are going to be making Shahi Paneer.
It's a new one for me.
Are you feeling royal?
No.
This one is a special request by Squishy Juhi.
Okay.
So, Squishy Juhi, this one's for you.
Let's try it.
Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to use for the Shahi Paneer. First of all, we have the star of the show. We have the paneer. I'm using a half a package cubed up. And then we're going to be making an onion paste for it. I have 1 onion diced. And along with that, we're going to have 7 cashew nuts and 5 almonds. That will make the onion paste. And then we have the rest of the ingredients for the Shahi Paneer. I have 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 green chili that's been de-seeded and I've removed the spine so Mumzies doesn't get blasted out by the heat. I have a half teaspoon of cumin seeds. I have a half teaspoon of turmeric. 1 pinch, that's probably about 1/8 of a teaspoon of garam masala. I have some whole spices. I have a bay leaf. I have 4 green cardamom pods, 2 cloves, and about 1 inch of cinnamon. Then I have 1.5 teaspoons of coconut oil. I have 1/2 a cup of Indian yogurt and 1.5 teaspoons of coconut cream. And finally, for the garnish, I have 2 to 3 coriander stems chopped up. That's it for the ingredients. Let's go ahead and get cooking. Okay, we have 2 cups of water brought to a boil. To that, I will add the onion. The almonds. And finally the cashew nuts. We'll let these boil for about 5 minutes until they get softened up. Okay, 5 minutes is up. We'll go ahead and get these strained and get them in the blender. Okay, so I have a medium-sized skillet going over medium heat, and I will add the coconut oil, get that nice and melted down, and we're gonna first saute our whole spices in the coconut oil. There's been a lot of comments about how come I use coconut oil for every dish. Honestly, it's because the coconut oil is the healthiest oil for me. It's really low in omega-6 fatty acids, whereas some of the other seed and vegetable oils are very high in omega-6s. You want to keep your omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acid ratios pretty close, and if you use the other oils, they get out of balance. And the second good thing about coconut oil is it has a very high flash point, so you're not going to catch it on fire if you get it too hot. I do a lot of cooking on high heat for the Indian dishes, so coconut oil works really well. Okay, so now we will add the cumin seed. And the other whole spice, the cinnamon, clove, bay leaf, and cardamom pods. And we'll saute these until they start opening up and really getting aromatic in the fragrances. Looking good. I'll go ahead and add the ginger garlic paste now. Next, I'll add our onion paste that we made in the blender. So the recipe that Squishy Juhi recommended me to follow is from Hebbars Kitchen on YouTube. I'll go ahead and put a link down in the description below so that you can go check that out as well. Okay, so this is thickened up nicely. I'll go ahead and add the turmeric powder. We'll mix that in and saute it for a few more minutes. Okay, that's been simmering nicely. I'll go ahead and add 3/4 of a cup of water. I'll add the yogurt. And I will add the cream. We'll get this mixed in and we'll let this simmer for about 5 minutes. Okay, I'm going to add the chili now. So I think the chili probably should have gone in with the ginger garlic paste. I think it would have been better to be sauteed in, but perhaps I missed that step in her video. Oh well, it's in now and it's going to be simmering with the rest of the ingredients. Now we'll go ahead and add the paneer. And it says to mix gently. We will also add the garam masala. I'll try to sprinkle it in as much as I can. It's looking really good. Never had Shahi Paneer before. Okay, it's ready to get it in a bowl and put it to the test. Well, what do you think?
It looks good.
Ready to try it?
I am.
Let's do it.
Okay.
All right, let's put it to the test.
Okay.
So as properly teased, we have Mumzies homemade chapati,
Mumzies, you did it too.
the chapati champion.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm.
Wow, that is rich. Outstanding flavors too.
This is a big piece of cheese.
Well, take your spoon and just cut the cheese in half then, if it's too big. Wow, that is flavorful.
It really is.
Good call, Squishy Juhi.
Oh. Papa needs to learn how to make Mumsies bite-sized pieces.
Wow, that's outstanding. just as you said, very mild. Really can't even taste that chili pepper in there.
No, not at all. Just gives the hint of flavor.
Yeah, taking out the seed and the spine for it really takes the heat away.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Big bite.
Big bite. Good bites.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Very good.
Yeah, this dish is definitely worthy of a Mumsies Happy Dance.
Mm-hmm. So delicious.
Very, very nice. I'm surprised the onion paste doesn't come through more. I would have expected that to have a really key role in the flavor.
Yeah.
But
Just
it's
melts
just
all
very
together.
Mild,
Yeah.
very mild.
It melts all together.
Mm.
It's so good.
Mm-mm-mm.
Another winner.
Good job, Squishy Juhi. I'm gonna have to get some more paneer.
Yeah, that gravy's so good.
Wow, this has been a fantastic meal.
Definitely.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Squishy Juhi, for recommending this. Had a lot of fun making it.
Mm-hmm.
And if you want to know what we're going to be eating next, Bougerstrook. You know what it's going to be. The rest of you have to stay tuned. Until next time, thanks for watching, everyone.
Bye.